Hi there, my name is Scott Rockins. I'm a mortgage broker with Dominion Lending Canada, and I want to take a few minutes of your time to just discuss a few mortgage tips that truly apply at this time of year. So, of course, with the festive season coming, and no one could be more excited about Christmas and the New Year and all the good times associated with that. And what I find at this time of year is that a lot of people are, there's less buying and selling of homes. People do not want to change homes usually around this time of year, but a lot of people are concerned about where's the money going to come for this trip, these Christmas presents, this New Year's party, or next year I really want to do some things differently. They're really starting to analyze, where they're at, and I help a lot of people to consolidate their mortgage payments, or consolidate their Visa cards, their lines of credit, their mortgage into one payment. They can do this for a couple of the reasons. I want to share with you some tips on how to do this and get the ball rolling so that you can rest easy, enjoy your holiday season, know you have a plan to either consolidate your debt to a more effective payment to paying off your debt, or perhaps set aside some money for savings, or perhaps start the ball rolling for your tax planning, that sort of thing. And I'll be talking about these topics over the next few months as they really apply in the first part of the year. Most people look at them during this time of year. So first topic is refinancing your mortgage. So at this time of year, and specifically in this interest rate market, there's a great interest rates to consolidate your debt or review your existing mortgage and make your payments more effective at carrying that debt or more effective at paying that off. There are essentially a couple ways this can go for you and a couple ways it can help you. So one, if you're like me and you're going out and buying a bunch of Christmas presents and some of the extra money you're spending that you didn't have planned for it ends up on your credit cards or your lines of credit, you can create a plan ahead of time to know, even if that does happen, I could still refinance into this into my mortgage in the new year and get this taken care of. What I'd recommend you do is contact me for a rate hold or a pre-approval to do such a thing. So don't do all the steps right now. You got enough on your plate handling buying Christmas presents and planning Christmas trips and activities, but get the ball rolling and know that you have a bit of a plan or what obstacles might be in the plan so that in the new year you can get that taken care of quickly and you're not carrying these high interest rate credit card bills. So you can consolidate those things into your mortgage and you end up with one low payment. You may want to increase your mortgage payments to take into account the balances you've added, but at least you've got a plan, and start the ball rolling now is what I'd suggest. Then go have a great Christmas and come back to it early in the new year. I do find in January I'm often talking to people about consolidation, and it's often the case that maybe if they'd acted a month earlier, things might work out differently for them, or they wouldn't be worried about it over the Christmas season. Now, a lot of people have New Year's resolutions for things like reducing their debt, or maybe things like saving some money for something. So you might be saving money for helping your kids through school, helping yourself buy a car, helping yourself buy another property, or you might be saving for retirement, for example, and looking into purchasing some RSPs. So for those kind of situations where you're looking, okay, how can I save some more money, or how can I get some more funds invested in the marketplace for investments of one kind or another, real estate or stocks and bonds and mutual funds, there's lots of strategies you can use your home for that can help you with those things. So I can help you refinance your debt, make it more effective, lower your actual mortgage payment. So yes, it does take longer to pay your mortgage off, but you've eliminated your ineffective debt, your credit cards and things like that. Freed up some cash flow each month and use that cash flow to start an investing plan where you invest on a regular basis in the market, and your financial advisor can explain the benefits of that, investing on a regular basis for you. Also, you can use leveraging to invest in the market, and that would be accessing maybe a larger amount of home capital or home equity if you want to do a different investment strategy. You do need a lot of advice for that, but that's something I can help you with. So these are all topics that I'll go into more detail on during the next few weeks and the new year. So some good ideas, but mostly I wanted you to know that I have several strategies you can use that can help you plan for your next year and plan to make things more effective. And if you start the ball rolling now, you might find that rather than going into the new year with this big list of things that you want to accomplish, you have one of your plans in place. If one of your plans is to save more money or reduce your debt load, I can help you create a plan. Go enjoy your holidays, and like me, you'll probably have a great time and see your family and your friends, and in the end, although you may have a few bills, you have a plan to take care of them. I think that a little proactivity here can really help you out. So those are my mortgage tips, is really this week: plan for the holidays, plan for the new year, get the ball rolling early. And thanks so much for your time. I wish you a Merry Christmas, and you'll hear more from me on all these topics in the new year. So thanks again, and have a fantastic day.